إذا كان عنده ما يفي بمصارف الحج لكنه جهل ذلك أو غفل عنه. He had the capacity. He had the capacity to go for Hajj. He had the money. He had everything, enough money. He had $10,000, but he forgot about it, or he was heedless about it. He was not aware that he is mustati, or he has the capacity. أو جاهلا بوجوب الحج عليه. Or no, he had money. So somebody has the money, but he does not know the Hajj is wajib, obligatory upon him. Or no, on the other side, he knows Hajj is wajib, but he's unaware that he has $10,000. That's why he says, إذا كان عنده ما يفي بمصارف الحج. What is available here? He has the ability. He has $10,000. جهل ذلك, but he knows the Hajj is wajib. He became unaware. He forgot. He became heedless. That's one scenario. أو كان جاهلا بوجوب الحج. No, he has the $10,000, okay? But he does not know that Hajj is wajib on him or not. ثم علم. He met some nice people or some hyperbolic irfani people, whoever. They say, aren't you going to Hajj? Why? Why should I go? Hajj is wajib upon you. But I don't have 20,000. No, you have 10,000. You can go. Really? So that really comes out. Or no, he says that Hajj is wajib upon you, or you have 10,000. So yes, so what? So that means you have to go for Hajj. Hajj is wajib upon you. Really? So in both cases, both really wajib, really wajib. So he became aware now. Aw alima. Or no, he might have seen a kind of hyperbolic irfani dream or epiphany or whatever things that change people's life. He must have seen that kind of thing. وَتَذَكَّرَ. He remembered. Or somebody reminded him. You remember, you're telling me that you're going to go for Hajj. What happened? Oh my goodness, I had forgotten. So when did he remember, or when did he realize? بَعْدَ أَن تَلَفَ الْمَالِ. After the wealth got deteriorated, that means you used it. وَزَالَتِ الْإِسْتِطَاعَةِ. So the ability has gone. The money has gone. The capacity has gone. Or it might have gone due to other circumstances, sickness or whatever. Here, person was mustati', but either he was unaware of the ruling or unaware of the condition. Then he realized about the ruling or about the condition. But when? It was too late, when the capacity of Hajj was gone. So here we have two scenarios. Again, remember I said several divisions of ignorance or unawareness is there. Here we have another division of unawareness. وَزَالَتِ الصِّدَاعَ فَإِنْ كَانَ مَعْذُورًا فِي جَهْلِهِ أَوْ غَفْلَتِهِ. He was excused in his unawareness or in his heedlessness. He was ma'dhur. He became preoccupied with sickness of his beloved ones, and he became preoccupied with a lot of things happening, problems here and there, and it went out of the mind. And it happens a lot to many people. So those are excused. If he was excused in his unawareness or in his heedlessness. بأن لم يكن ذلك ناشئا عن تقصيره. It was not out of his negligence, his shortcoming. لم يستقر عليه الحاج. So Hajj will not be fixed on him. That means he's not obligated to go next year by earning, by begging, by borrowing, by whatever. Okay? Halal means obviously not stealing. So لم يستقر عليه الحاج. وإلا, otherwise, if he was not excused, if he was muqassir in his ignorance, okay, he did not ask, he did not question, he had the istita'ah. Doubt came, Hajj may be wajib upon me. Go and ask and confirm. He had 10,000. I don't know, it's 10,000, 20,000. I heard that Hajj becomes wajib. Go and ask, confirm. You did not ask. So this is your negligence. You doubted. You had money, but you're doubting in the obligation. You should have asked. Why didn't you ask? Okay? Or somebody tried to tell you, but you shut the door on his face. So whatever reasons, if you were not excused, then the Hajj will be obligated upon you. فالظاهر استقرار وجوبه عليه إذا كان واجدا لسائر الشرائط حين وجوده. So here the condition we were discussing in this mas'ala was not sickness, not other thing. The money, إذا كان عنده يفي بمصاريف الحج, the expenses that could cover the Hajj, we are discussing about that. So next year, if you don't have that money, but you have other conditions of obligation, you had health, you had no commitments, you had nothing, you have to go for Hajj. But if you had no money, but you had no health, God forbid, then it will not be obligated, because all the conditions, they combine together. Here, the hypothesis was in ruling number 42 that everything is available except for the unawareness of the obligation of the Hajj or awareness of the availability of the $10,000, for example.